Hello everyone, welcome back. So now here inside your project, mhm, inside your my app, inside my app, create a new file. That's the config.js files. So let's create this file inside my app. That is the config.js files. Here basically we will store the environment variable const db underscore underscore uri equal inside double quote here write MongoDB / 127 .0 .0 .1 then here write 27017 / and then your database name is a stock. Here I think change your database name stock smart. Got it? So this is your database name, and then here also here create a your API const API equal inside a string http here not a capital, then you write http and then / localhost here you have a 3000 in place of that 3000 and in place of stock here you have API. Got it? Now fine. Then the next is to here here basically export this variables module dot export equal inside it mm-hmm. module dot export inside it you have a db underscore uri now so just import this variable and also you have API variable, so all these two variables import another file. So basically again inside app create another new file, that is the next.config.mjs next.config.mjs. Now here everything is fine. I think here something wrong. Basically this next config.mjs file not inside a register. Let close let cut this. hmm Basically here you have config dot basically this config.js file makes your inside my app. So let's check here. So you see that here basically this config.js file inside my app. Okay. Let me again close this. Now inside here inside my app here right config.js file. Got it? Then this. Now here the next thing here to import your file, that is a config import config from let me remove this from here or not remove, just go to the new line dot / config.js config dot config.js file basically inside your next config.mjs files. Then inside it here here write env and then inside it here you have your variable, that is a db uri db underscore uri then you write config config dot db underscore URI. Also import your API variables. You write in the API and then config dot API. Basically, whatever you write a variable inside the config here, then you see here, like db URI and API. Just here export it and then import inside it. Okay, here. Here's something wrong, guys. Here, you see this VS code imported automatically, so you'll get the error because of this VS code. So remove that. Now here you have a next config file. So now here everything is fine. So also the next thing here also create a database connections. So for the database connection, create a new folder inside myif. Here inside myif, inside create a new folder that is the utils. Here you have utils. Then inside it create a new file dbconnect.js. Got it. Now inside here import your mongoose library. And you know that why you'll get this issue. The issue is simple, guys. Issue with that you have installed the React unstable version. Okay, you see React. This is a React unstable version, so it is not compatible with any library like Material UI or Bcrypt or Mongoose or Next. So that's here you will get the error. Okay, so this is the issue. So you don't panic. Okay, you know that here the issue with this is a React unstable version. If you go to the back, basically old version like React 18 version use, and then Next.js 14 version. So that's why you will not get this type. So you will not get this type of error here. Got it? And you see that inside it here also it see basically issue with your version. Okay, here material UI is fine, but issue with your React is unstable version, so that's why you will get here. But if you use the here force command or legacy peer dependency after that your library, then it install the your library inside your project successfully. Okay, so you don't worry with this error. Got it? So here with this unstable version of React. Got it? So fine. So let's close this. Now inside it here now import mongoose from mongoose. Const db connect equal async inside it if here mongoose dot connection mongoose dot connection dot ready state is equal to 1. Inside it return if you already connected with the database, so just return from here, or otherwise just connect with database. Now inside it here await mongoose dot connect, then here use the process dot env dot api. Here not API, basically your DB URI. So remove this. Then here write DB underscore URI. Got it? So here await mongoose.connect process.env.db URI. Then here at the bottom just export these functions. Export default db connect functions. So import, basically export your functions from here. Let formative document. Now fine. So now these functions, this inside util you have db connect functions. So this db connect functions import inside API inside the register folder. You have already imported this function db connect functions. Got it? So now this db connect functions, you make sure that here use your functions await and then db connect function. So make sure that here call your function db connect first. Perform any operation, okay, like saving your document in the database first. The must condition is to connect with your database, okay. So that's why here, now if you connected your database, then all this detail save inside your database. Got it? And as well as here also you can check here console.log, console.log. Now so just inside it print all this value, all this value getting from the client side, then here return it. Got it? Now so in the next video we will create a your register function. Here you have your inside client side. Basically you know that in this api it means it represent to the server side. This api represent to the server side, and after and outside it represent the client side. Got it? So now inside our register you have a page.js files, and inside it here you register or handle register functions. So here basically use a javascript fetch api method, and then send all this detail to the server side. Got it? So now we will do all these things in the next videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next videos.